Hi guys, welcome back, and I'm Karan Lugani. I'm going to share today the way to research a T-shirt which actually sells. I've been getting a lot of queries after posting a screenshot in the group that how to finally research a T-shirt, so that they could get out of tier 10, tier 25, or even tier 100 for that matter. So without wasting time, in next 2 minutes, I'm going to teach you how to find a T-shirt that actually sells and within a less period of time. This is primarily for people who are stuck in T10 and T25 and want to get out of it. So without wasting time, let's start and get to the tutorial. So I pasted this code. This code is basically the description for the Merc t-shirts. What we're going to do is we're going to check what t-shirt has sold out recently in past 2-3 days, and that was uploaded in 2-3 days. So that's the strategy here, guys. It's a very simple strategy. So instead of that, fishing, Libra, vegan, retro, let's go to retro for now. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, these are the featured t-shirts. They'll tell you what's the BSR. It's somewhere around 11 lakhs, again 10 lakhs. So what we're going to do is we're going to sort it out by newest arrivals. Okay. And check which t-shirt basically sold in the past few days. So okay, we found a gold. This is November 1958 retro vintage 60th birthday t-shirt. Let's just see what date was this t-shirt uploaded on. Okay, so this is a manual process and it may take some time, but it's fruitful and it's worthy for people, especially who are stuck at T10 and T25 altogether. So November 1958 t-shirt, let's see. So the BSR is somewhere around 800K right now. That means it has already sold once or at least twice. I would say twice. And the date it was first listed on is October 6, 2018. And we're sitting down on 9th October. So that means this t-shirt was uploaded on like 3 days back and it is already sold. So obviously, guys, if you jump into this niche right now, obviously it's going to make sales. It's a short way. Imagine this guy made a sales in 3 days. Okay. Then you have another one, which let's just check what date it was listed on. Again, October 6, 2018, and a BSR of 432,222. That means it has almost sold around 4 to 5 t-shirts, or let's say 3 t-shirts at least. Again, that's just the way. So again, it was uploaded on October 6th. We're sitting on October 9th today, 3 days, and it has already got 3 for sales. Again, so imagine if you're at T10, you would have already got out of the tier 10 in next 10 days, or tier 25 in next good 15 days. That's it. So guys, that's it. I'm going to keep it very short. I'm going to keep it very to the point. That's it. So I'll be coming up with more videos. Share your doubts. I've also created a group because of a lot of queries that I was getting, and it's a group for helping each other. It's called Merc Mastery. You'll find the link to it right below. If you like the video, please share it across. I believe that we all have learned something through Merc, and it's very important to share the knowledge. Join the group right now. If there are any questions, feel free to ask them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care, guys. Bye.